You know it's crazy stupid when you're doing a close-up of him. Like, just do a cast. I was laying on the deck. But we're out there to do it. Just do a cast, but he's close enough to a log like that. Alright, cast to it, and then you can see him cast. But instead of just stopping there, I just let him do the whole retrieve, and then hit a log and he went like that. He went up over the log, fought, and then you see the rod go, whack! Got him. You are kidding. Yep, I got him. Got him. Got him.
What was that, a headbanger?
No, yeah, spinnerbait.
Yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
Oh, yellow.
Yes, we needed that, didn't we? Good yellow.
We needed that big one.
Good yellow. That was the cast that I was just explaining Tally's thing. How good's that?
Good job, man.
Whew.
Needed that.
Awesome. He's a pig. He's a pig.
The yellows are hungry, they caught that.
There's the fish, guys. Great, great golden. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. There's a muppet.